Hey guys, Mark here at the Overland Truck Store. We work on all types of off-road and overland vehicles, whether it's an F-150 or your Subaru, Lexus. It's not an off-road rig, but we had a Hyundai Elantra in here the other day for an oil change. So we do brakes, do wheels, tires, alignments we're gonna start doing next week. We just got a brand new alignment rack in from Hunter. It's the top of the line. We can do your lifted rigs that, you have a hard time finding someone that can actually align them properly. Our guys are off-road guys, are installing suspension every day, so they understand the mechanics and what they need to do to get that thing aligned properly. We're a full service shop, so we can help you out with all that.
This is a 2010 Tundra. We just got finished putting together for a customer. He came in, has owned it since new, and hasn't done anything to it. Decided it's a good time to put it together and do some upgrades to it. So we did the new Ironman Foam Cell Pro with black coils that they just revamped the Foam Cell Pro. So those look awesome. Did some Toyo MTs, 295/70 18s on method, double blacks, and then an iCamper BDV Duo mounted on a Prinsu rack on a Lear topper.
So speaking of alignments and wheels and tires, we also do that in-house. We can do up to a 42-inch mud terrain. You can balance it, mount it. We also do bead locks, so we'll mount your bead locks for you as long as they're DOT approved. And then, so I just walked out in front of our shop here, the Overland Truck Store garage, and to give you an example of some of the rigs that we are working on today. We've got Max Powell's truck here. Love his colors, obviously, matches ours. He's got bead locks that were installed. We also work on stuff like this little Nissan Frontier. He needed some helper overload springs in the back for towing. We can do that. We do regular maintenance, oil changes, whatever. We've also got, a rig with a Go Fast camper on it that they needed a bunch of electrical installed, and they wanted a Prinsu roof rack and lift and all kinds of stuff. So here's a couple of the classic rigs that we're passionate about working on. The 84 110 Defender. We've got a 88 Hilux 4-cylinder diesel over here from Spain, left-hand drive. We've also got the FJ60 in the background. We're really passionate about working on classic off-road rigs, especially Toyotas. So if you're looking for a shop that can work on your classic rig, we can help you. Come see us. So found another rig out in front of the Overland Truck Store garage to give you an idea of the other things that we do as well. This is a 06 Tundra that we had to do a head gasket on. So, we can do all kinds of services for you as well. And, over here you've got a rock crawling first gen Tacoma. So, we mild to wild, baby. Whatever you want, bring it.